So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add outline to text here in Design Wizard. So once you have Design Wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to the text tab right here, and press on the text tab to add some text into your design. Then press either add a heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We're just going to go ahead and press on add a heading for demonstration purposes. We're then going to scroll down here and make it a little bit larger, just like that. And how about I edit the text here to the word outline for simplicity's sake? Now, if you want to outline text, the simplest way to do it is actually just pressing on the text right here that you wish to outline, going to the top left area right here to where it says effects. I want you to press on effects. Then on the left hand side under style, there's shadow, outline, and text box, and you probably guessed it. I want you to press on outline. Now once you're here, you can change the thickness if you want, but first off, we're going to change the color from black to, let's just say, orange for this demonstration. Now, once that is done, we're going to press on back right here, press on outline. We can change the thickness by dragging the bar to the right or dragging the bar to the left and kind of playing around with it this way, but pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add outline to text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.